Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Ask Amity Show. Today, we'd like to talk to you about corporate trustees. So when is it a good idea to use a corporate trustee, and what exactly is a corporate trustee? So if you're in the process of setting up your living trust, but certain people you trust, to appoint as trustee, you're really unsure of, maybe because you have a special needs beneficiary, a child, a minor, or you're afraid that you might be too busy, or maybe your family member is a little too busy to help manage your affairs, then perhaps thinking about hiring a corporate trustee should be thought of. So what essentially is a corporate trustee? So a corporate trustee is a bank or a trust company that you can hire to help manage and build your wealth that you place in your trust.
And when would you use a corporate trustee? So if you set up a irrevocable trust or you plan to make gifts in your trust, strategies often used to save estate taxes by removing assets now from your taxable estates. You will probably need to name someone other than yourself as trustee for tax reasons. A corporate trustee is a natural choice to make sure your irrevocable trust is administered properly. If you set up a revocable trust to avoid probate when you die and to prevent court control of your assets at incapacity, you can be your own trustee. So even so, if there are lots of benefits to having a corporate trustee involved, they can assist you in several ways. So the first way is as a trustee. So your corporate trustee has full responsibility for managing your trust assets according to your instructions. This would be an excellent choice if you are elderly or you have no one you can trust to take care of your financial affairs. You may be widowed, you have no children or other trusted relatives living nearby, or you don't want to burden them with the role of a trustee, or you and your spouse may be in declining health. You should also consider family dynamics when naming trustees. Sometimes family members do not get along with each other, and naming family members as trustees may not only hinder the administration of your trust, but could also cause disputes within the family. So, oftentimes families that are setting up trusts, they want to give a gift to the family. They want to leave gifts to your children, and you want it to be that, a gift, and not a burden, not causing more problems within the family. So even if you are capable of managing your own trust, a corporate trustee can be a wise choice. You may not have the time, desire, or investment experience to manage your trust assets, or perhaps you just feel that someone with more time and experience could do a better job.
Right. And then you can also consider a corporate trustee as a co-trustee. So if you want to take advantage of a corporate trustee's investment experience, but still be involved, you can have one work with you as a co-trustee. So developing a working relationship with a corporate trustee now lets them become familiar with your objectives, your trusts, and your beneficiaries' needs and personalities while you are around and able to provide guidance and input. It would also allow you to see how they would perform in your absence, to evaluate their investment performance and service, and to test out how comfortable you feel with them overall. It's a good way to test drive a trustee, to have them be appointed as a co-trustee with you. Another reason for perhaps using a corporate trustee is for them to also act as an investment agent. So you can also name a corporate trustee as an investment agent, while as a co-trustee has equal responsibility with you. An agent can have as much responsibility as you wish. You can have an agent manage only a portion of your trust assets, or just provide you with investment advice, with you making all final investment decisions. Another potential way of incorporating a corporate trustee within your trust is as a successor trustee. So if you decide to be your own trustee, for example, during your lifetime, you can consider naming a corporate trustee as your successor trustee. And in this capacity, they will step in and manage your trust for you when you can no longer act due to incapacity or death. And many people like this idea because, if you appoint a family member, perhaps there can be some sort of conflict, or, you don't want to seem like you're favoring a family member over another. Then having this corporate trustee more or less act as a neutral party and just really, distribute things based on your instructions. That could be also an idea as to appointing a corporate trustee for successor trustee position.
So how can you evaluate a corporate trustee? So just like any other professional service, make sure you talk to several corporate trustees and make sure you ask all the questions to all your corporate trustees and really listen to their answers. You want to make sure that they would be the best fit to take on the role of managing your assets on your behalf. So also be sure to compare investment returns and especially fees and the type of services that each corporate trustee can offer. Ask to see sample statements or reports you would receive and see how easy they are to understand. Facts and numbers are important, but so are people. So do make sure that the corporate trustee genuinely care about you and your family, that they listen to your concerns and understand them, and that they can, make sure that you are confident and that they are confident in taking on the role, and that you're confident that they can take on the role, and that they will be there for you and your family when you need them to be. So that's all we have for you today regarding corporate trustees. If you have any questions or want to talk to us about estate planning or probate, we'd be more than happy to talk to you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.